All right, today I have Maruchan Ramen Noodles. Look at this. I have a new flavor right now. I bet you've never had this right here. This Maruchan, they have a flavor called Taft. I can't speak today. Taft of Asia. Hearty pork flavor. Tonkotsu Ramen Noodles. Absolute goodness. Now let's look at this. This is Tonkotsu Ramen Noodles. If you never heard of Tonkotsu, you have today. Right here. It takes about 3 minutes to make in the microwave, but there's several different options. See on the side, you can do the hot water method right here, where you pour in the hot water and you wait 4 minutes. I don't have 4 minutes. All I have is 3 minutes. So that's what I'm going to use for the Tonkotsu Taste of Asian Hearty Pork Flavored Ramen Noodles. Absolute goodness. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the package. It has this fresh savor. Keeps it fresh packaging right here. I'm just going to take it off so you can see the fresh pack of ramen noodles. Let's see if I open this up. It's a little difficult. I don't know why I was doing this. Maybe take a little bit of my fork. Get some fork action. Get it in. Fork it up. All right. Here are the packs in here. Now, I don't know what to do exactly with this. Am I supposed to add the flavoration in first? Let's look at the side on this right here. It says microwave, remove the lid and the 2 packets inside. Open packet, sprinkle the garnish, the dried garnish on the noodles. Let's see. Okay, you say fill the container inside loud with room temperature water. Microwave for 3 minutes on high. Leave and microwave for 1 minute. Handle carefully afterwards. Open packet 2. Pour soup flavoring powder into the container and gently stir, evenly mixed, then enjoy. I will definitely enjoy that. That's one thing I will definitely enjoy. So this is packet flavor 2, so I do this after the microwavation. This is the garnish. Go ahead and let me zoom in a little bit so you can see this. I'm going to go ahead and put in the garnish in here. There's a little bit of corn. I like corn. Look at that, corn. A little crunchy corn. Actually, let me get some of this crunchy corn, yeah. What's the red thing? Red thing's pepper. Red peppers, eating vegetables, absolute goodness. Let me zoom out. So I'm going to add water to the line. And I like to use bottled water because I'm fancy with my ramen noodles. I want to be healthier, so I use bottled water instead of the tap water. So I'm going to use a little bit of the bottled water for my ramen noodles for health purposes. And I'm going to fill, zoom in right here so you can see the wateration. Fill the ramen noodle cup up into the line. Do you see that right there? All right, so I have this right here, and I'm going to microwave this for 3 minutes, let it sit for 1 minute before I add the flavor packaging to. Absolute goodness. Let's get started with this. All right, here are the ramen noodles right here, as you can see right there. I'm going to go ahead and add the Tonkotsu package right here. I'm just going to go ahead and add this. This is package number 2. Absolute goodness. Going to add this in there. Put that in there, and then I'm going to take the ramen noodle fork, and I'm just going to fork it up a little bit. Fork this up. And what I like to do with my ramen noodles is, like, once you add the flavoration pack in this type of bowl, I like to let it sit for about 22 seconds to allow the noodles and the broth to permeate each other and add a lot of flavoration to the ramen noodles. So here it is right here, the Tonkotsu Ramen Noodles, Taste of Asia. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.